In this lecture, we are going to practice about various ORing and concatenation patterns of regular expressions and how to construct DFA corresponding to these ORing and concatenated patterns. But prerequisite first, before starting with this session, you must be aware of the regular expression and the notation that can be used to express these regular expressions, and what are the concept of ORing, and if we are getting the notation in superscript or subscript. So if you are not aware of these regular expression notations, so please go with the lecture number 15, where we have a detailed description of the regular expression and with various examples. So starting with this lecture, we are only going to understand these concepts with examples only. So first example is DFA for strings, in which every expression is followed by a 1. Okay, so it is clear that we have input symbols as 0, 1, and if any number of ones are acceptable, means if we are not having any 0, then there is no issue, but if we are having a 0, then 0 must be followed by a 1. Okay, so on only ones are also acceptable, but if we are getting a 0, then we must receive a followed minimum 1 after that 0. Okay, and this expression is also optional, because if we are having a 0, then we require a 1, and this pattern can be repeated any number of times, so we are putting a star here. Next we have, even after that pattern, or any number of ones are acceptable. Any number of ones are acceptable. That's why we are having 1 star after the expression also. So we can have the expression in any form, in any order, but after every 0 we must receive at least 1 1. Okay, so next we have, now we have to construct the DFA, or the deterministic finite automata corresponding to this expression. So starting with this expression, if we minimum string is, here we have minimum string as null, because we have star with all the patterns, as every pattern is having a star, so we can have null, as the null should be acceptable. So starting with the initial state must be the final state. Initial state must be final state, and on initial state we can receive any number of ones. But if we are getting a 0, then we are moving to a non-final state. So if we are getting a 0, we are at a non-final state, because every 0, if we are encountered with a single 0, then 0 must be followed by a 1, and that's why we are having this Q1 as non-final. Now if we receive at least 1 1 after the 0, then we move to the final state, and on the final state any number of ones are acceptable. So this is the minimum. This diagram is for the minimum inputs possible, means 1 null or 0 1. Okay, but if we have to repeat the pattern, means here we have star, so any number of ones are scattered here, multiple ones are scattered here. But if we are getting a 0 1, and after that again we are getting a 0, then we need to move back to a non-final state, from where we can receive one more input symbol as 1, and can move to the final state. So this is the final transition diagram for this question. And on initial state, if we are getting a both input symbols are complete, from Q1 also we have made transition for all the input symbols. No, we have not made transition for 0. If we are getting a 0 at Q1, if we are getting a 0 at Q1, because 00 is not acceptable, we can check the pattern here, 00 is not acceptable, so for another 0 we must move to the dead state. So now this transition diagram is complete. This transition diagram is complete, and we have made all possible moves from every state. Next example is DFA for this language as A. If we look carefully, this DFA is for language of strings having A, language starting with a single a and ending with a double a, and this is the regular expression corresponding to this language. As first symbol must be a, after that first symbol is a, after that we can receive any combination of a b, and the last symbol is also a. So this is our regular expression corresponding to this language. Now starting with the construction of transition diagram, as minimum string is double a, so we cannot have initial state as the final state, so minimum string is double a here. So rules are same. Firstly go with the initial state, minimum string. So after receiving the minimum string we are moving to the final state, and once we are on final state, now we have to take care of this internal pattern, means the second middle pattern, that any pattern of any combination of a b is acceptable before the ending a. So before this ending a, any number of a's and b's combination are acceptable of any length. Okay, now we have to make space for this pattern in this minimized or minimum string transition diagram. So starting with initial state, at initial state, as we can check with the expression that b as the initial symbol is not acceptable, b is not acceptable here as initial symbol. Next, from after receiving a single a, now we have fulfilled our first constraint. Now after that we can receive any number of b's, and at final state also we can have a self loop of a, because after receiving this last a, any number of a's received at the final state are acceptable, because the pattern is not violated, means we are having at least one a after this. So any number of a's received after that are not going to change the pattern, we are still having last symbol as a, so we can have a self loop here on the final state. Now only this state is complete, also this state is complete because we have made transition for all the symbols. Now from this state we have not marked the transition for input symbol b, so on receiving a b from this state we need to move to a state, because after receiving b, if we are on the final state after receiving minimum 2 a's, and if we are getting a b after that, then this b is going to change the pattern, because we need at least one a for ending. Okay, so we need to move back to a state from where we can receive a and can move to the final state. So we have to move back to a non-final state from where we can receive last a and can move to the final state. So this is the resulting state for this situation, right? So this is complete transition diagram for this language. Our third question is language of string with starting with b and ending with a. So we are starting with b and ending with a, so the minimum string is b a, because we need b in starting and for ending we need a single a. So this is the regular expression corresponding to this language. So starting with the construction, drawing the transition diagram for minimum string. Here the minimum string is not double a because starting character is b. So now we are moving to the final state after receiving the minimum string, and once we receive the minimum string, now we have to make space for this middle pattern. Okay, because we can have any combination of a b after starting b and before ending a. So now we have to make space for this. So on initial state, if we receive a, we need to move to the dead state, because a is not acceptable as an initial symbol. First symbol required is b only. Now we can have a self loop of B here like we have in the last example. So this is very similar to the last example, and at the last state we can have a self loop of A. Secondly, if we are getting a B here, we need to move to a non-final state from where we can receive one more A for acceptance. So here we need to move to the second state. If we rename the state as 1 2 3, so we are moving back to second state, because this is the only state from where we can receive a single A and can show the acceptance, okay, and can move to the final state 3. So this is the final transition diagram for this language. Next we have the language as A as a starting symbol. After that we can have string W1. Next we need double A. After that we can receive W2 string, and last symbol as A. So here W1 and W2 can be any combination of A and B, any combination of AB. So this any combination is this AB whole star. So the regular expression corresponding to this language is A, then any combination, double A, then any combination, and the last A. So the minimum string for this is 4A, 1 2 3 and 4, because we are having 4A, 1 2 3 and 4, and other middle patterns are optional. So starting with the minimum string, A, we cannot have initial state and other intermediate state as a final state, because the minimum string is 4A. So after this we move to the final state. Now we have to make space for these middle patterns, this any combination of AB after first A and any combination of AB after 3 A's. Okay, so now we have to make space for this. Also from the initial state, B is not acceptable because first required symbol is A only, so it will move to the dead state. And after A we can have a self loop of B here, because any combination is acceptable after 1A. So this any combination of A, B is acceptable here, so that's why we are having a self loop over the second state. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4, and fifth is our final state. So now if we are getting a B at third state, means we have not, if we are getting a B at third state, means after double A, minimum double A, we are getting a B. So we are in this state only, we have not moved to this pattern. We will move to this pattern only after receiving a double A. If we are not receiving a double A, that means we have not reached up to this point. Okay, so after receiving a B, we need to go back to second state in wait of double A. We are waiting for double A. Okay, and once we receive double A, we are on stage number 4. Now from this state, state number 4, we have to mark transition for B. And after double A, we are on 4th state. That means we have received double A. And on 4th state we have to make space for this any combination of A, B. Okay, so to make space of this A, B, we can have a self loop at state number 4, and after that we can move to the final state. But now as ending pattern required is single A, so if we are getting a B on final state, we need to move back to the previous state in waiting for the double single A for acceptance. And same here, like last example, we have to take a self loop of A here, because any number of A's accepted are not changing the pattern in the final state, right? So this is the complete transition diagram for this statement. Next we have DFA for this. So now we are having a ORing within two patterns. So ORing within this pattern and ORing within this pattern. So you need to understand the difference between ORing and concatenation. Means here we can go with this pattern or this pattern. We cannot have both the pattern and both patterns at same time. So either we will go with this or we will go with this pattern. Okay, so initial state will be the final state because null is acceptable, both patterns are having star. So starting with the DFA construction, initial state is a final state. Now for ORing questions, for ORing situations, we need to change the path. Means for every ORing patterns, every pattern given in ORing, we need separate path. We cannot move on the same path, otherwise we will mix the patterns, and mixing of pattern is not allowed in ORing. Either this or this, it is clear, either this will be acceptable or this. Means either A's will be acceptable or B's will be acceptable. Also null is acceptable, so that's why we are having initial state as a final state. Now making separate path for separate patterns, so we are getting a, and after receiving a we are on the final state, and after that we can receive any number of A's. Once we received a single B, the pattern is this, and for this we need to move to next other final state. We cannot have same final state for these two patterns. Okay, otherwise after A we can receive B, and after B we can receive A, but we need to go with only A's or only B's. And if we receive a B after A's, then that transition will go directly to the dead state. Same way, if we receive A after B's, then that transition will also move to the dead state. Okay, next we have DFA for this. Now we are having the same pattern, the only difference is that we are not having ORing within these two patterns. So first pattern is this and the second pattern is this. So we are not having ORing within these pattern. So these patterns are in concatenation. By concatenation we mean that first pattern must be followed by the second pattern, right? So first pattern is A's, any number of A's must be followed by the second pattern, any number of B's. Okay, so we cannot have A after that B, and B after B's we cannot receive A's. So we have a sequence within these patterns. So only A's, any number of A's followed by any number of B's. So we can also write it as DFA for string receiving any number of A's followed by any number of B's. So this is the pattern here. In last question we were having ORing. ORing means either we will go with this pattern or with this pattern. We cannot have both patterns. But now we are mentioning a sequence with concatenation. Means firstly this pattern must be followed. If this pattern is not existing, means only B's are acceptable, means only null or any number of A's, okay, or any number of B's are also acceptable, or A's followed by any number of A's followed by any number of B's. So these type of patterns are acceptable for this question. Okay, so now we have to mention a sequence, we have to maintain a sequence. So for maintaining the sequence, as we have null for both pattern, initial state is the final state, and we are receiving A's, and after that this pattern, this state is also final state, we can have any number of A's here. After that, if the A's pattern is on the end, means after last A we need to start with B's if there are B's, and this state is also final state, and we are having a self loop of B's at final state. So here up to this point we can receive A's, and after this we can receive any number of B's. Okay, and all the states are final state, means only B's are also acceptable, but we have not mentioned any path for only B's. Okay, so for accepting these B's we have no direct path from the initial state. So for that we have to draw a starting path. Also, sorry, we need not to move to this state, because if we move to this state, A's will also be acceptable. Okay, so if we are getting a single B as an initial symbol, then we need to move to this state, because only at this state we can receive any number of B's. Means if we are getting a first symbol as B, then we cannot receive any A after that. After B's, only B's are acceptable. Okay, but if we are getting A's as starting symbol, then we can receive any number of B's after that. So this is final transition diagram for this problem statement. Next we have this. For this, all others moves will be to the dead state. Okay. Next, DFA for this. Now we again having the ORing pattern. This is first pattern, this is second pattern in ORing. So just make separate path for these two pattern as this, because these patterns are in repetition. We have iteration, we require iteration, means A's, even number of A's are acceptable or even number of B's are acceptable. So we cannot have a self loop of A, we need to separate the path, and after that single A is not acceptable, only double A's are acceptable. So we are separating the path. After that we can receive any number okay, so we can receive any number of double A's, even number of A's, or no A, no B's. So null is also acceptable, that's why initial state is the final state. Otherwise we are going with A's only, even number of A's or even number of B's. So this is the pattern. So this is the path for even number of A's. Now even number of B's are also acceptable. So here is the path for even number of B's. So we are moving back to the previous state. If we get a single B after double B, then we need one more B, okay, because this B will make our count to odd and we need even. Okay, so that's why for third B we are moving to a non-final state, and if we get a fourth B after that, then only then we need to move to the final state. So this is the transition diagram for this. So all other state will be to the dead state. For example, here B from here and A from here is not acceptable. We cannot have B's then A's and A's then B's, okay, because both pattern are in ORing. Either we will go with this or this. Next question is DFA for this A, B and BA. So this is very easy question, because we are not having any iteration. In last questions we were having star over every pattern, means pattern can be repeated 0 or more time, but in this question we are having simple two patterns in ORing, means either we will be getting double A, AB, or we will be getting BA. No other pattern is required and no pattern is in iteration or repetition. Okay, so for such question it is very easy. Just mark initial state. Here initial state must not be the final state, because null is not acceptable here. So making separate path for separate ORing patterns. Here AB is acceptable, also BA is acceptable. Okay, so this is the transition diagram corresponding to this statement here, but we can reduce one state here because we are not having the pattern in iteration. As we are not having the pattern in iteration, that means we can once we receive AB, there is no scope for other patterns, and if we receive BA, even then there is no scope for any other symbol. Okay, so once we have received any of these ORing pattern, we cannot receive, we are not allowed to receive any other symbol. Okay, so if there is no iteration, so we can reduce this final state and make this move directly to the same final state BA. Either we go with this path AB or we will go with BA this path. In both cases, once we are on final state, no other symbols are acceptable. So after this, any transition of A and B will move to the dead state. Also the transition of A from this state will be to dead state, and the transition of next B will also move to the dead state. Okay, so these dead state moves are optional. You can also skip these moves to enhance the readability of your transition diagram. Okay, next we have DFA for this. Now this is the same question as the last question, just we have the ORing patterns in repetition, means ABs, ABs, ABs. So null is also acceptable, After that, either we will be getting AB means any number of AB, okay, or any number of BA, okay. So any number of BA, because we have this complete pattern in iteration, this complete pattern in iteration. Now we cannot have the same final state for these two pattern, unlike the last question, because in last question we were just receiving AB or BA, and after that we cannot receive anything. So we can end at second state, means after receiving AB through this path, or after receiving BA through this path. But in this question we are having iteration of these path, means we cannot mix the final state here, because if we mix the final state for these two pattern, we can receive BA after AB or BA after AB. So that means we are not allowed to mix these pattern, but if we make same final state, then surely the string will be accepted with mixing of these patterns, okay. So starting with initial state will be our final state. Just make separate path for these two patterns as A, B as final state, and making a loop for this pattern. Now B, A, and making a loop for this pattern, okay, for next B, and this is our final state. Rest of the symbol should move to the dead state, okay. So that's it about this regular expression with concatenation and ORing. So you can practice any number of questions from the assignment given to you, and I will be uploading with the solutions very soon. So bye for now.